The fishbone gave us 8 suspects. Now we pick the one the evidence keeps pointing at, and we interrogate it. 5 whys is the simplest tool in the whole method, and the easiest to do badly. The trick is to keep asking about the system, not about the people. 5 whys lives in the same toolkit as everything else, so we get there the same way. From the assignment, go to Toolkit. 34 tools, map to DMAIC. We're in Analyze now, so filter to Analyze, 9 tools, and there it is. 5 whys. Iterative why questioning, to reach a root cause. And notice the counters along the top. They're about this project, not about you. 2 of the 34 tools used, 2 runs created, 2 pinned for the executive report. Open it, and state the problem as a fact, not an opinion. First response averages 9.2 hours against a 2-hour promise. Now why? Because tickets sit unassigned until somebody chooses to pick them up. And why is that? Because triage only runs once, first thing in the morning. Keep going. Why does triage only run in the morning? Because it's a batch job somebody volunteers for, not a scheduled duty. Why is nobody scheduled? Because no one is accountable for the queue between shifts. And the 5th why? Why is nobody accountable? Because first response time isn't on anyone's daily target. Read that last answer again because it's the one that matters. We started with a number, 9.2 hours, and we ended somewhere completely different. Nobody is measured on it. That's the root cause. And notice what it isn't. It isn't a slow agent. Every answer in this chain was about the system, and that's what makes it fixable. Write it into the root cause box, and the chain becomes something you can hand to a sponsor. We have a cause we believe in. Next lesson, we stop believing and start testing with the wizard that picks the right statistical test for you. See you there.